my name's Harrison Schatzbarger, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a sub 3-minute install on a tubeless mountain bike tire. The tubeless mountain bike tire system is comprised of a tubeless tire, a tubeless compatible rim tape, a valve stem with a removable valve core, and your favorite brand of sealant, about 2 ounces. This rim has already been set up tubeless before, so it's already taped and the valve stem is already installed. I've removed the valve core so that when seating it, we can get the air in faster. The first thing I'm going to do is install the tire. And when I install the tire, I'm going to check for a rotation arrow on the tire. And that's going to tell me what direction the tire goes on. I'm going to line up my logos with my valve stem so that I don't get made fun of at the trailhead. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start working the bead into the groove of the tire. And it should be pretty easy to get that first side. And what you're going to do then is go to the other side. You're going to go opposite the valve stem so that at the end you have enough slack to go up and over the valve stem. And then you're going to continue tucking, and you're going to want to keep the bead of the tire inside the groove of the rim, which is going to create enough slack for the entire bead to get seated on nicely. So we'll go around. So that pop is what you want to hear. And like I said, I've already removed my valve stem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tire pump on. You're either going to want to use a tire pump that was made for tubeless installation, or you're going to want to use an air compressor. This tire pump was made for tubeless installation, and it has a spare tank where it holds all the pressure. So I'm going to pump that up. Then I'm going to release it, and I'm going to listen for some sounds of pinging or popping, which tells me the bead is seated into the tire hoop. I'm going to keep pumping in order to build the pressure, to keep the pressure high. And that's the sound you want to hear. There you go. We'll call it good there. I'm going to remove the tire, use my finger to block the hole. And then the next thing I'm going to do is let out all that air because the tire's been seated. And then I'm going to put my sealant in the tire. And then I will replace the valve core. Use my valve core tool. And then I'll reinflate the tire. I like to use these little bottles because it keeps it nice and neat. And I'll rotate it. Then I'm going to reinstall my valve core. And then I'm going to reinflate the tire. Once it's inflated, I'll give it a quick spin in the test ride, and that should work the sealant into the cracks, and then you're done. That should get the sealant all worked around. And I'll I'll take it out for a test ride later and it should hold.